Hi, I'm Billy Wagoner, and I'm at Factory Outlet Trailers in High River, Alberta, one of our brand new truck outfitter and accessory shops, and always been our largest truck bed provider in all of Canada. We're so excited today to bring out the new CM crane body. The particular version we have here is a 84 cab to axle. This is an 11-foot bed. If you notice here, we have the CM outrigger bumper, all one piece, one section with easy step up, safety lights, working tailgate for the business user, tie downs on the inside of the bed, but most importantly, it's crane reinforced. Today we have the Tiger 3200 16-inch crane on board. Comes with all the safety and the features. Has the crane disconnect overlock. This is a wireless remote winch. Sticks out to 16 feet and does a very good job for any application that you might have. Another good feature is we have removable fenders because you never know if you're going to have a flat or a blowout or an issue, so you'll be able to replace that fender. In this box here is our horizontal box, and you can put shelving, you can put bolt bins, whatever you need for your application. This unit has automotive debulb weather stripping, so it keeps the boxes tight, dry, and as dust free as we possibly can. These two key compression handles are very important. It allows you to lock and adjust the latching systems throughout the life cycle of the unit. Also have aluminum fenderette here, and this unit is also made out of G60 galvanneal material, which is very good in the caustics and thing we have up here in Canada. So it'll survive the sodium chloride and the things of that nature. We also have 3-panel doors, and these doors are the strongest in the industry. Also, we have hydraulic engine hinges, and these units will also come with standard shelving in the compartments for your benefit. All of our hinges and everything are stainless steel continuous hinges for safety. Also, in another up front box, you can see that we have more shelving, so lots of workspace and the things we need. So at Factory Out Trailers in High River, in their truck upfitting accessory part, we have two complete trucks in stock right now, a Ram 5500 and a Ford F550 ready for delivery. Please reach out to the team at Factory Outlet. We hope to see you soon.